What?
But we got yet another flat, so that's 2 flats in 1 week.
That's why we took the skull. And now it's stinky.
Hello, YouTube family, ding dong. Bad things have been happening in the garden. I have been killing it. These strawberries aren't growing. I haven't had much growth. In fact, I think I had a mouse eat some of these leaves, so it has knocked me back in some progress, grow time. Wait. There are ants. I suspect that ants are doing a lot of damage to my plant, just because every time I put something down, they're probably eating my plants. What else are they eating out here? Each other? Probably. So I'm just giving all these beautiful plants to these jerk-off ants, which I am very upset about. So none of these cuttings, I don't think, have taken root. I am not great at getting things to grow from roots yet. Got to do more research. Maybe it was the wrong time of year. Maybe it was too late to try to get them to root. And none of the water ones worked at all. That just, no matter how often I change the water. Ooh, that looks like maybe, I don't know, looks a little smoky. And like, the thing is, I didn't know that cows ate at night. The cows were on the edge of the property at night, whatever. We saw them in the distance as the sun set. I'm like, okay, it's gonna be fine. We got Buster on guard. Buster woke us up 4 or 5 times, and every time I had to go outside and chase away these cows. They were surrounding everything. They were surrounding our RV. They were in the cistern. It was a full moon. Okay, to be fair, it was a full moon. Maybe that's why they were snacking in the dark past midnight. That seems like really weird behavior. I didn't know that they did that.
You have to get out. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you over here too. In my morning run, chasing the cows away from my trees. I feel so silly. Y'all stay over here.
In our driveway, we have this little drainage canal to help encourage water to stay away from the RV. But a bunch of tumbleweed has been growing in here, and it was 2 feet tall until some cows munched on it. Unfortunately, they munched on more than just the tumbleweed. If they just ate tumbleweed, I would love these cows. They would be my best friends, but they eat everything else. They eat cactuses, which is rude because cactuses are beautiful, and they ate a lot of our plants. Let me just take you a little tour about what they ate So, the cows ate the top of this onion. Yeah, I don't think you can grow anymore. You need your leaves. This is just gonna, that's done. They ate the top of this decorative grass that was actually growing good, and this other onion too. Yeah, man, this was growing. It was doing okay. And then the cows came. Worst of all, though, I think, is this beautiful, beautiful Japanese maple tree. Oh, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. They munched the heck out of this. I am so mad at them. This guy he had a few more leaves. I was already kind of suspicious that this might not last because this was covered in mulch. But now there's like an ant hill forming. So ants are my enemies. Oh my god, they ate some more. Dang it. These cows.
There was a tree here. But I think it was cowed. God dang it.
It's been really disheartening because I'm trying to grow some food, but instead I just keep killing everything. Well, I don't keep killing everything. Everything just dies. Some things I kill because I don't water enough or I water too much, but some things just get ate because I don't know how to protect it from what we got going on here. But I'm not giving up hope. I am going to keep on putting seeds into these containers, and we are gonna grow. I'm not giving up. If I was in the suburbs in the Midwest, I would still be fighting other things. I'd probably be fighting specific beetles and rabbits. I would be having different problems, but I would still be having problems with growing stuff. Like this is not a unique experience, I don't think. I think the sun killing things is a different experience on top of everything else. The sun is definitely a deadly laser that is fighting me at every step. The sun is a laser. It wants to murder everything, so you gotta give it some shade. I don't think anything out here really loves the full blast of the sun. Maybe some cactuses. Everything else is just, please no. And our ice plants have bounced back from near death. I took them out of our ground. I just had them planted straight into our ground, and I don't know, the soil was not to its liking. I wasn't given it. Maybe it wanted a little bit of shade, possibly, because now that it's under the shade structure, so it's just looking so much more healthy. Getting the same amount of water. I think it's just maybe the soil is better. The soil is better and the shade, so now it's happier. So that's great. I love these. Then I moved this guy. There's two. Yeah, this one hasn't bloomed again yet, but I'm sure it'll come. But yeah, I like these colors. That's a cute, like, sunset color. That's cute. The surviving tomato plants are still growing. And this, we finally got some flowers. So maybe we'll have a tomato by the end of the season. Hopefully. We still got a squash that has survived. Still cooking. Pretty sure this is corn that I plucked out of the other ice planter. I don't know. I don't know for sure if it's corn. Maybe it's from a random bit of birdseed, but I don't know. It's growing. It's still alive. Look what else the cows did. Knocked over my tree. Rude. We were just driving home, and look what we discovered. Presents from the desert. Bones! Free bones! Free bones! Oh my god. I wish these bones had a little less skin on it.
Everybody always wants cow skulls and the cool shit of the desert.
When you have open range cows, sometimes they die and you get to have their skulls. But unfortunately,
this is how you find them.
Their skin is sometimes still on their skull. Oh, I can't wait for you to just be a beautiful bone. Then you're gonna be less nasty. Oh, wow. What?
So, you got a tarp.
Yeah.
And, I don't know. Maybe it's macabre, but I like cow skulls.
Yeah, that does look a little low. Okay, I think I found the problem.
You should also make sure that you have a good tire repair kit and keep it in your vehicle. Really simple to go and do. You find the hole, you make the hole a little bigger. Is it right there? And I'm hoping that this will take a patch.
Woo! Yeah, it's still bubbling.
Double plugs across the sky!
Woo! One plug didn't do it. Will two do it? Who knows? I don't see new bubbles forming. I think we're good. Epilogue.
the tire situation.
Well, either our plugs didn't take or Michelin tires, even the older ones, are complete shit. But we got yet another flat, so that's 2 flats in 1 week. So currently, we're getting a couple of used tires. And sadly, I can't find any 10-ply tires for this. It is what it is. Status life update. You go through a lot of freaking tires living off grid.
Soon Mufasa will have a new friend. So y'all, I am 30 or 40 years old and I've never grown a plant from seed to harvest. That feels like I'm way behind, but I guess it's better to start now than never. So clearly I'm not a natural green thumb. That's unfortunate, but with every plant failure is like a new opportunity to learn something and grow. I'm not gonna give up, even though it does feel impossible sometimes out here. Between the sun and the cows, it is pretty rough going. I think most things worth doing kind of take effort. Unfortunately, or fortunately, however you want to look at it, it is pretty satisfying to put effort into a thing and have a result. I know that sounds vague, but anything worth doing, you just gotta do. You should go do something that seems impossible. Hey, no. So I'm just not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep on putting stuff in the ground. I'm gonna keep on putting seeds in containers, and hopefully I just get one little harvest. I just want one thing that I grew, harvest it and eat it. A fruit, a vegetable, I'll take an herb. Give me an herb. Just one thing and I'll have a successful year. If I don't, oops. Oh well, I'll just keep on trying next year. Why not? Because everything's made up. Just go do something. Go try something that feels a little bit out of reach. Eventually you might be able to do it. You might succeed. Go be happy. I hope you're happy. Anyway, I gotta go inside because it's starting to get spicy. Alright, so I'm getting out of here. Goodbye.